Hey, welcome back to BBQ Smokers. Are you tired of having dry, bland, unflavorful salmon? If you are, then stick around, because this right here is the best salmon you ever had in your life, I promise you that. In this video, we'll be showing you some very simple and easy techniques, tricks, and secrets that allow you to cook salmon like this every time on Weber Grill. You're gonna love this one. Whether you're a grill master or a beginner, we got you covered today. So let's get to prepping so we can get to cooking, so come on. So what is the best type of salmon to use when you're grilling? Well, number one, I want to get a fresh salmon. I want one that's not been frozen. Number two is I want to get one that's got a nice, good pink color to it. Number three is I want to get one that's got a good thick steak to it. Therefore, when we get the thin part here, it's going to cook different than the thick part. So I can get one that's pretty much uniform throughout the whole piece. That's what we're looking for. What I'm going to do is also make sure it's got the skin on it. That skin will help me during the process kind of protect the bottom of it. Anyhow, that's what we're looking for when you're doing this. So this cedar plank we've had has been soaking in water for about an hour. What I'm going to do now is add some oil to it, and we'll take the salmon and put it right on top of it. Now let's get some oil on this. I'm using extra virgin olive oil. You can use any kind of oil you want. I just like this one. I'm going to very liberally put it on here because I don't want this salmon to stick to it no more than I can help it. So I'm going to just pick it up and set it right on top of it. Just going to slide it around on us a little bit, what we're looking for. So the season we're using today on our fish is going to be a Heath Riles. This is a Cajun Creole garlic butter. Really good rub for it. I'm going to go ahead and pretty liberally with it. All right, now we're cooking this down on a Weber kettle grill about 350 to 375 degrees. Now let's get on the grill, let's get this party started. Looks good, don't it? Come on. Put it on here, I want to make sure I got the thick side, the backbone of it towards my fire. That's the thickest part, and therefore this part over here will kind of even out the cook process. When we start, we want to make sure we do this for this side towards the fire. About 2.5 minutes into it, what I want to do is take this and rotate it around just a little bit. You see the side starting to get a little bit dry on me. Take it and push it all the way to the side. All right, we're about 15 minutes into it. Rotate it again. See right here, it ain't quite flaky on me. Still got a little bit of texture to it, so it ain't quite there. Yep, she's ready. Let's pull it off. So we just took off the smoker. We kind of let it sit a few minutes, let it calm down a little while. And buddy, it looks good, don't it? Why don't you look at this? Look at that. That's how you do it right there, boys and girls. That's salmon cooked on Weber kettle grill, a BBQ smoker style right there. Dang, it looks good. Y'all ready to taste it? Come right down the middle and just cut it in half. See the color we're talking about? Got a nice pink to it. It ain't translucent. That looks good, don't it? I'll show you about the flakiness we're talking about. See how it's flaky right there? All the way through, it's nice and flaky. A little bit of white in there, the protein. Let's taste it. Lord have mercy. Thing is just nice and juicy. Y'all, this is a simple recipe. So the flavor is spot on, boys and girls, I promise you. This here's the way to do it. Very simple recipe, very simple techniques. You've seen what we've done. A lot of information out here to share. But again, take this and make it your own. Whatever you do, try to cook it. Cook it on Weber Grill and don't be scared about it. It's delicious. Got my fingers. Little jackrabbit. Dolly liked it. If Dolly liked it, I know you would too. Again, thank y'all for watching. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let us know what you're gonna cook next. Again, appreciate you watching. See you next time.